Hey everybody, Jim here from Clockwerk Industries. Welcome back to another shop vlog series video. I'm going to be changing the format of these for now, and I think it's going to be a little bit more the type of content that people have been requesting. Back when I was doing Instagram stories a lot and trying to get a bunch of behind the scenes footage, a lot of people were saying they really enjoyed that. Lots more machining content, more anodizing content, and the day-to-day here in the shop. You know, that becomes so normal to me that I forget that that's kind of the interesting part that a lot of people like to see. So I decided the vlog series is going to shift formats to that instead of me kind of picking a topic and running with it and making a video about that. I'm just going to run the background kind of day-to-day life in the shop. I got some footage of packing orders, anodizing parts, prepping materials, getting packages that come in, and showing you some of the new stuff that we got going on. So I figured that's how I'm going to run it, and I'm going to start doing that from here on out. And I don't know, if you guys like the format or you have anything you'd like to see in particular or any kind of suggestions, please go down in the comments and let me know about it. And while you're there, like and subscribe to the video, or like the video and subscribe to the channel. And without anything else, I'm gonna get into it. I got a bunch of B-roll clips from this past week and a half, and I do want to try to get this more on a weekly basis. And then I'm also going to add in the videos of like the build series and stuff like that. And then if a video with a topic pops to mind, I'll run that as maybe a separate series, and I'll just have the video be about that topic and I'll run the footage with it. So if there is anything I feel like I need to explain or something like that, I might pop up with like a picture-in-picture and go over it or something like that. But for this week, I'm gonna just run the footage with some music, and I'll pop back in and end the video. So without anything else, let's roll the clips. All right, that's gonna wrap up this week's vlog series in the new reformatted version. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestions or things you'd like to see, go down in the comments and let me know. I've been able to reply to every comment while the channel is still relatively small. I think we're at 915 subscribers while I'm filming this, and I'm really trying to get to 1,000 because I think once you kind of hit 1,000 subscribers, they'll start pushing the content more into the algorithm and more recommended videos. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of some kind, either cable management or to make it a little bit easier because I offer so many different products and such a wide variety. It's kind of hard to come up with like a package that's gonna work for, you know, everybody that's subscribed or entered the giveaway. So I think what I might do is a 2 promo code giveaway. One will be $100 of products, another one will be like $50 worth of products, and that makes it a little easier because I can cater it exactly to the winner. They can log in, use their email, it'll give them the promo code, or they type it in and it'll only be active for them. So I think that might be what I do, but we're only 85 subscribers away. So if you are somebody watching the video and not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you guys like the video, hit the like button. And yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this week. I really appreciate everybody who takes the time out of their busy day to make it this far into the video and watch the video all together. So I do appreciate your support. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.